a beneficiary can be any kind of recipient. ZetaFisc offers 6 types: an individual, a school, a community, a hospital, an organization, and other. We will register one of every type, filling in every field on each. From the donations menu we open beneficiaries. First, an individual. Choosing individual opens the full personal profile, like a staff record. We fill the contact details, the date of birth, gender, marital status, nationality, occupation, household size, and the next of kin. Second, a school. An organization type, so ZetaFisc shows the tax and compliance section. We fill the contact details, then the tax ID, the RC registration number, the VAT number, the city, and the postal zone. Third, a community. Again an organization, so we fill every field including the tax and compliance details. Fourth, a hospital. We fill the contact details and the full tax and compliance section. Fifth, an organization, a registered NGO or company. We fill every field and the tax and compliance details. And sixth, the other type, for any recipient that does not fit the rest. It is an organization type, so we fill the tax and compliance details too. That is every standalone type registered. But just like donors, a beneficiary does not have to be a separate record. A customer, a vendor, a sponsor, or a staff member already in your books can each be flagged as a beneficiary. We will do all 4, in turn, filling in every field. First, a customer. From the CRM menu we open customers and add 1. We fill every field: company name, contact person, email, phone, tax identification number, address, city, and postal zone. Then the currency, credit limit, payment terms, and status. Now we turn on the beneficiary switch and confirm, then save. Second, a vendor. From the CRM menu we open vendors and add 1. We fill every field: name, contact person, email, phone, tax identification number, and address. Then all of the bank details: bank name, account number, account name, and sort code. the payment terms and status, then we flag it as a beneficiary and confirm. Third, a sponsor, that is a business owner or director. From the CRM menu we open business owners and add one. We fill every field, full name, position, email, phone and address. The nationality, identification number, tax identification number, date appointed, shareholding percentage and status. Then we flag the sponsor as a beneficiary and confirm. Fourth, a staff member. A staff member can only be a beneficiary, never a donor. From the CRM menu we open staff and add one. We fill every field, full name, email, phone, department, position, employment date and status. There is only a beneficiary switch here, no donor. We turn it on, confirm, and save. Now, on a disbursement, each of the four is available under its own beneficiary source, right alongside our standalone beneficiaries. From the donations menu we open disburse donation. The beneficiary source picker lets us choose where the recipient comes from. Beneficiary source, customers, there is Sunrise Traders. Beneficiary source, vendors, there is Med Supplies Nigeria. Beneficiary source, sponsors, there is Mrs. Busy Adeyemi. Beneficiary source, staff, there is Grace, our field officer. And beneficiary source, beneficiaries, our standalone register, where Sunrise Academy and all the types we registered appear. A standalone beneficiary, a customer, a vendor, a sponsor, or a staff member, each selectable as the recipient on any disbursement.